who refer to notes can't speak extempore like you guys out here. Well, good morning, esteemed faculty of Salwan schools, the team from ECDF and Dr. Paul there. Today I stand before you as we embark on a journey of understanding of the fundamentals of importance of early childhood education. As the chairperson of the Montessori school, it's my honor to shed light on a topic that shapes the future of our society, which is the early childhood development, essentially 3 to 8 years of a child's life. The first 8 years of a child's life are undeniably crucial. They serve as the bedrock upon which the lifetime of well-being and growth is built. It's during this time that a child's physical, cognitive and socio-emotional dimensions begin to take shape, laying the foundation for the future endeavors. Research has shown that early experiences significantly impact brain development, emphasizing the importance of providing nurturing environment during these formative years. Our nation's educational landscape is undergoing a transformative phase, with National Education Policy 2020 leading the way. Central to this policy is the commitment that every child aged 3 to 8 years must have access to free, safe, high quality, developmentally appropriate early childhood care and education by the year 2025. This isn't just a goal, it's a promise that we must fulfill for the betterment of our nation's future. By investing in early childhood education, we not only ensure the holistic development of our children, but also lay the groundwork for more prosperous and equitable society. Coming to the teachers of assembled out here, at the heart of quality education lies the dedication and passion of our teachers. They are the architects of the future, shaping young minds with care, wisdom, and empathy. As we strive to provide equitable access to education, let us not forget the invaluable role that teachers play in nurturing the potential of every child. Beyond imparting knowledge, teachers serve as guides and role models, instilling values and fostering a love for learning that lasts a lifetime. Let us celebrate and support our teachers in their mission to empower the next generation of leaders and innovators. Education as a basic right is not merely a privilege, it's a fundamental right that must be accessible to all. Regardless of socioeconomic status, geographical location, or background, every child deserves access to quality education. It's our collective responsibility to ensure that the basic right is upheld and safeguarded. Education empowers individuals, uplifts communities, and drives progress. As we advocate for educational equity, let us strive to break down barriers and create opportunities for every child to thrive and succeed. Each child is unique, possessing a set of talents, interests, and capabilities waiting to be discovered. As educators, it is incumbent upon us to recognize, identify, and foster these unique capabilities. To promote holistic development in every child. By celebrating diversity and embracing individuality, we create an environment where every student can thrive and excel. Beyond academic achievement, we must nurture the social, emotional, and creative dimensions of learning, equipping students with the skill and resilience that they need to navigate the ever-changing world today. In conclusion, the journey towards educational equity and excellence begins with us, the torchbearers of knowledge and enlightenment. That's you guys, not me. Let us pledge to uphold the principle of inclusivity, accessibility, and quality in education, ensuring that every child has the opportunity to unleash their full potential. Together, let us build a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you.